Hi, it's holidays. So let's create the holiday lights in pure CSS. If this is your first time here you want to learn FrontEnd and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. To display holiday lights, I need to transform square elements into circles using border radius property and set the radius to 50%. Easy. To arrange lights on the canvas, I use CSS flags and the following properties. To animate lights, I use CSS keyframes. This rule controls the intermediate steps in a CSS animation sequence by defining styles for waypoints. Let's dive into the code. Let's start with the HTML. I need to create a wrapper. Let it be a class wall, and then there will be lights, a wire of lights, and inside it I need element with the class bulb and light, and let's say 8 elements. Now it will be first, second, third light, class first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, it's class 4, 3, 2, 1, and remove this extra element. Now let's style it. Background for body, color as for now should be white, and background dark but not the pure black. Okay, the wall itself should be height 100 VH, 100% of viewport, display flex, and flex direction should be column. Now lights. That should be display flex as well. Then I need to order them in a row, so it's flex direction row, and justify content. Content no center but space around. Good, and now align items center, and let it be height for 30%. Good. Okay, let's make it for 3 these rows. So copy and paste it 3 times. Okay, now let's create our bulbs. So for class bulb, I said the border radius should be 50%. And now let's add them colors. For light 1 and light 3, let it be background green, and set height and width. For light 2 it should be red, for light 3 let it be, for example, blue, and for light 4 yellow. Let's make light 2 a bit bigger, and the same for light 4. I have a typo with the light 3, I didn't add a dot here, and now we have bulbs. Okay, now let's remove these numbers and start working with it. Now let's add shadows to our bulbs. For CSS I need to add to the light 1 and light 3 box shadow. I don't need this comma. And now let's do the same for the rest of bulbs. And now let's add a visible animation to the all bulbs to see how it works. Let's add animation to the class bulb as animation. Let's say light 1, for example, 1 second, linear, 0 second, infinite, and alternate. And now let's add this keyframe with this title. From opacity 1 to opacity, let's say 0.3. Oh, and fix this type of keyframes. And of course I forgot that it should be light 1. Let's see our declaration, animation, and yes, I should fix this one. Yes, now that works. Let's improve our animation and make it nicer. Let's remove animation from here and add that for light 1. Should be like this. Let's say it should be 0.8 second. Add animation to light 2 here. And it will be light 2. And one more to light 4 here. And let's say it should be 1 second. And now let's add keyframes for light 2. It should be like that, light 2. And change the opacity from 0.3 to 1. Yes, looks good. That's it. So easy. My code is available on CodePen. Documentation is available on the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.